What is special too?
Hello Mojo, welcome to Shaw Nature Reserve. So far it's really nice. I really like it. We've got to do a lot of cool stuff so far, like bird watching, and we caught frogs and tadpoles, and we even caught a newt.
Having a great time. We just caught some frogs and tadpoles and a newt and some leeches, and now we're going to head to the prairie.
I mean, I love Shaw Nature Reserve. I've been really happy to see all these bees because I feel like there's not very many bees where we live anymore, and I miss the bees.
I'm having the time of my life at Shaw Nature Reserve. Never been better.
Yes, Shaw Nature Reserve! Yay!